it's me Rumaisa. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are playing some Escape the Subway Obby. But before we start, I want you guys to subscribe, like and share. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell to get notified all the time I post a new video. Now let's begin. The road is blocked. Our only option is to go through the subway. Okay. The doors are locked. We need a key card to open it. Go into the open door house, jump over the bumpy carpet, and press on the key card to grab it. Okay, that sounds easy. So let's begin, guys. So we're just gonna go here. Here's the open door house. And yeah, let's begin. Hop, 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 hop. Easy. Okay, there. We have the key card, as you guys can see. Whoa, that was so close. Let's go out now. Yeah. So, down here, get the key card, open it up. Let me out. We can't let the infection spread. What? Take this. Make sure not to touch the zombie acid. Okay. Take what? No! I died. That thing's so loud. I don't know what it was. Wait, do I have to do the whole thing again? Fine. Anyway. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Anyway. Hop again. This obby started off easy. And I hope it's gonna be easy as we go on. Hey, give me the key card. Okay. Hop, hop, hop. There we go. We made it. Yay! This time, I'm not even going to go that side. Oh, I did all of that for nothing. Okay, here's the next level. Now, okay, so we shouldn't touch the... Oh, we made it inside the subway. Jump over the body parts and go into the... It's kinda easy. Well, if the body parts are so small, we can't jump on them. Good thing it's not that small. Oh my god, that was so close. I was so close to overjumping. Hey, is it this way? No. Oh yeah. He clearly said. 1 sec, guys. Yeah. So. No, we died. We died. Why? Okay. Let's do this again. So, hop, hop. No, did I touch? I don't know if I touched though. Oh, this is so hard. Everybody keeps dying. Okay, we got this. There we go. So, yeah. We're just gonna go this way, I think. I don't know. This is like a maze. Please, I don't want to be trapped here. Oh, perfect. We found the way out. Okay. Seriously? That's so not fair. This guy is always talking. I could have done it by myself, but this guy just ruined it. But who cares? Let's just redo it. No, no. Okay, there. It's so easy actually. It's pretty easy so far. Okay, so let's avoid that. Why does it always happen? Go into the hole. Okay, that seems pretty easy. Hopefully we don't die. Guys, if you have already subscribed, thank you very much for doing it. There we go. And now, lava. Oh, lava. Okay. This is pretty easy. I think we can escape this. It's not that hard. So, yeah. Okay. Hop, hop, hop. I like hopping on these. I like the lava levels and everything. Okay, what's the next level? Okay, this should be pretty easy. This obby is already pretty easy, so I think we can beat it. Okay, hop through. Okay. Oh my goodness, I touched it a little and I didn't die. This level looks like the prison obby's level. Kinda looks like the prison obby's level. Hop. Okay, so okay, jump over the obstacles and then go into the pipe. Okay. They're so like small and thin. Maybe the wall. Okay, that will help. So just no, I died. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, go through the wall. It's like no, I keep over jumping over there, but I hope we can go. Oh, that was a close one. No! Oh my goodness, I didn't die. Okay, now I died. Nope, I don't want to buy super file. Anyway. Please let me make it. It's gonna take forever. I know that because I keep dying. Please, just let me go through. See guys, I'm terrible at this level, so it's gonna take some time. How did he make it? Like, I don't know how I would ever make this. No! See, I keep dying. I'm terrible at this. This level is like so hard. If you like overjump, you die, or if you don't overjump and you jump like this, you will also die. So it's very hard. Wait, she made it? How? You see, I'm terrible. Okay, we need to do this quick because then it's gonna take forever. Oh, that was a close one. No, so close. Ugh. It's okay, we're gonna make this, hopefully. Yes, we're not gonna make it. It's gonna take 1 billion years. I know that. Not fair, not fair. This is so hard. I was just falling through the sky for a moment. Why do I keep over jumping? They should have made this thing a bit wider. It's just so thin. And it's so hard for me. You see? I'm terrible. Okie dokie. Oh my god. No! I wish they made it a bit more bigger. Okay. You see? It's gonna take forever. I know that. Yes, we're just gonna be doing this over and over and we're not gonna be able to escape. Told you. Okay, so oh my god, that was like, I don't know if I'll make this actually. It is so hard. Oh my god, we made it finally. Like, it was so hard. It's so hard. I'm happy we're done with that level. So, sorry guys, there were some noise because, you know, I dropped something. This way? Okay. Go into the zombie's mouth. That's our only option. Ugh! Ew, I don't want to. Oh. Oh, look at its teeth. Okay. I'm just gonna slide off its tongue, I guess. Well, this zombie has been eating healthy food. Carrots? Is this a carrot? Or is that a sausage? I think it's a sausage. Okay. Maybe not that healthy. Okay, we died. We died. It's fine. It's gonna be easy. I think the hardest level is the level I did before, and it took me like so long to do it. That level where we had to jump on those wall thingies. Okay. So far so good. Oh my god, I was about to fall. Yes, so close. 1 minute, guys. Yes, guys, I am back. I just had to go quickly. Okay. Oh, that was a close one. Okay, we made it. Yay. Oh. No. Yeah. I wish we can go back out of the zombie, but we can't. So anyway, let's just get out of here quickly. At least we made it here. Oh, but I wouldn't want to do that. Go up the stairs. Don't touch the zombie kid. Oh. Okay. Whoa there. Okay, we made it. And then I think we're gonna have to continue this. Okay, zombie go again. Okay, perfect. We made it. Okay. So, okay. It's gonna be pretty easy, this level. Let's just zoom in and go carefully. Wait, where's the door? Oh, there. Okay, in we go. Yay, we're gonna escape. Oh. Okay. Oh, this should be pretty easy. Okay. Out, we made it. Okay, we made it. Yay. We made it outside. I was about to die. Go up the stairs. And down the second staircase. Wait, we're done. That's all. We're gonna make this. Ooh, I'm so happy. Finally. I did not like being inside the zombie. And obviously I did not like the hardest level I did. Okay, we're gonna keep going. And we made it. Yay! It took me a lot of time at you completed the obby. Step on the pin. Okay. Okay. Understood. Okay, anyway, we made it. Okay, here's the jump pad. Make us jump high. Okay, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, I accidentally came inside this, but anyway guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye, have a good day.